For a while, the jungle is brought to a standstill by the deluge. And the storm also causes tragedies. No amount of caution can prevent lightning from striking a young female deer. However, in nature, there is a fundamental rule. Every cloud has a silver lining, which translates as nothing is wasted. Someone always benefits from the misfortune of others. The storm has provided them with a stricken deer, a good lunch to replenish some energy. But the banquet can't really start until the last guest arrives. The king vulture is the most powerful of the American jungle's vultures. Its role in the jungle is to finish off the work that predators have begun and eliminate the remains of hunts or corpses. These are the undertakers of the rainforest. Their powerful beak allows them to slice through their food. It's the king vultures who are responsible for opening up the corpse, the treasure coveted by all. Without their offices, the black vultures would have no means of accessing the interior of the deer. What's left of the deer's cadaver will soon disappear, transformed into a king vulture, flying over the jungle or among the clouds, which will bring new storms to the rainforest.